Good morning, everybody. It's Monday, September 10th, and it's time for another shop video. This is a very busy week. In fact, this will probably be the first of maybe several videos, at least 2 videos that will be getting done this week. And I have actually a very interesting case here in the shop that I'm going to talk about in a minute. But first, I want to talk about this black Asus notebook that's in front of me. This was actually one of 2 laptops that were brought in. The first laptop has a lot of physical damage and is beyond repair. And that laptop has had its hard drive removed. It's now a dead carcass, and it's heading for the transfer station tomorrow. This Asus laptop is also dead, and I believe it has an issue with the battery charging board. We're going to be finding out what's going on. I have to talk to the client, see what she wants to do with it. I don't know if it's going to be a case of we're going to try and fix it, or we're just going to get rid of it too and possibly get up to 2 new laptops. I will fill everybody in on that as soon as I know what's going on. But now we come to the more interesting case. And over here we have an iMac, and as you can see, what appears to be a tech support type scam is on the screen. This is from a piece of what we call fake antivirus software known as Mac Mechanic. And what happened was, the person that brought this laptop in brought it in with a complaint that she was on the internet, got a pop-up that her Mac was infected, and told her to download Mac Mechanic. And she did. And what it is her Mac wasn't really infected. What she was asked to download is the malware itself. And unfortunately, this is what you get. Obviously, you don't want to call the 1-800 number that's currently on the screen. That will lead to a tech support scam. Yes, Apples do get malware. They do get tech support scams. The very first tech support scam that I ever saw was on an iMac. This is a hugely common deal. I've done multiple videos on this. In fact, those that have followed me for a long time know that at one time fake antivirus for Windows PCs was big. Apparently now it's being combined with tech support scams. If you hang on 1 minute, I'm going to see if I can get a screenshot of the actual Mac Mechanic fake antivirus. This is the actual Mac Mechanic fake antivirus window. I'm not showing the whole top of the window because there's some personal identifying information that I want to keep out of the video's view. But this is the actual Mac Mechanic fake antivirus / tech support scam window. And as you can see, it says there's 272 issues that have been found, supposedly, haha. The task is going to be to clean this machine up and get it back to its owner. But I do want to educate everybody that yes, this is in fact a MacBook, and yes, these do get malware and viruses just like any other machine. The fact that the saying that Macs don't get viruses is a very big myth. Okay guys, just a quick fast update on this MacBook over here. When I cleaned it, it actually had 3 major pieces of Macintosh malware. The first one, which you all saw, was Mac Mechanic. The second one was a very infamous program that's also been associated with tech support scams called Mac Keeper. And the third malicious program was a program called Mega Backup. The reason the myth about Macintosh malware got started was because when OS X, what we usually refer to as OS X, X being the Roman numeral for 10, was released, Steve Jobs launched this massive marketing campaign, and he literally said Macs can't get viruses. Well, you don't ever want to say anything like that, because to the computer criminal underground, they will see it as a dare. And that's exactly what happened. There was a group that created the first Macintosh virus for OS X, let it loose. This forced Steve Jobs to adjust his marketing campaign. And then they said it's very hard for Macs to get viruses, but again, this was seen as yet another dare, and more Mac malware was released. Also, as more people buy Macintosh computers, there are more computers to spread an Apple-based virus. Therefore, more viruses are made, more money is made from the malware. That's what this is all about. It's all about profit for the criminals. Again, as always, rate, comment, like, subscribe, and as I said earlier, I'll probably see everyone tomorrow. See everyone next time. Bye-bye.